Hi, in this video, we'll see the solution for algebraic expression, chapter 10, NCERT. We'll directly come with the exercises. So the first exercise under this is exercise 10.1. As you can see in the side screen. So starting with question 1, you read it. It's saying, get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. Okay. So you need to form an expression, okay, with the given cases. The subtraction of z from y. So how do we say? How we will write? Z is subtracted from y, that means y minus z. Next, 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. So 1/2 of the sum of numbers. So first of all, sum of numbers x and y is x plus y. Okay, and then it is saying what? 1/2. So that means divided by 2. Third one, the number z multiplied by itself. So z multiplied by itself, that is z into z, and it's z square. In exponential form, it's z square. Next, fourth one, 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. First of all, find product of p and q and take 1/4. That is, you can write pq upon 4. Next, question 5, number x and y both squared and added. That means, first of all, you square each number, x square and y square, and you have to add it. So x square and y square added. Question 6. Number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. 3 times the product of m and n. So product of m and n is mn, and it's 3 times. That means 3mn. Okay, and what is added? 5. 3mn plus 5. Okay, next, 7th. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So product of numbers y and z. So and it is subtracted from 10. So 10 minus yz. 8th one. Sum of numbers a and b. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So what is the product of a and b? AB. And this is subtracted from what? What is subtracted from this? A plus b, their sum. Okay. Next, question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Okay. Show the terms and factors by factor tree diagram. So first question, x minus 3. So terms are what? X minus 3. You write down like this, x, and the another term is minus 3. So this is what? The factor tree. There are 2 terms. Next, B part. 1 plus x square, or 1 plus x square. X square can be x into x, and then 1. How many? Total of 3 terms. C, y minus y cube. So y minus y cube means there is a term y and there is a term minus y cube. So minus 1 into y into y into y. Okay, so this is how we will do. C, D part, 5x y square plus 7x square y. Now, for this, terms are 5 into x into y, and for this one, the factor is 7 into x into y. So likewise, we will do. Next, for the same very question, second part. Identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. Minus 4x plus 5. So terms are minus 4x, so its factor is minus 4 into x, and 5 is just another term. Okay. Likewise, the B part is also same. Come to C part. C part says 5y plus 3y square. Now, what are the terms? Terms 5y. What is the factor? 5 into y. About the terms 3y square. What is the factor? 3 into y into y. So likewise, we can do the rest of the. Now, G part, if you look at 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Now, the terms 3 by 4x, its factor is 3 by 4 into x, and 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. Okay. Next, question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients of the terms other than constants in the. So you just need to find the numerical coefficient of the variable terms. So in the first one, 5 minus 3t square. So what is the coefficient? Minus 3 of 1 plus t square. So of what is the coefficient of t? That is 1. Coefficient of t square, it's also 1, and coefficient of t cube also 1. Next, third one, x plus 2xy plus 3y. What is the coefficient? 1. Coefficient 2, and coefficient is 3. So likewise, we can do the rest of it. Okay. Question number 4, A part. Identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So the first question, y square plus x plus y square plus y, not y square. So it is saying containing x. Now, which term is containing it? This term, so its coefficient will be what? Y square. Got it? The variable becomes what? The constant. So y square is the coefficient. Next, second one, 13y square minus 8yx. Now again, this term has x variable. So what is the coefficient? So the coefficient becomes what? The other factors, okay, other than x. So what is the coefficient? Minus 8y. Next, third one. Third one is again, you can do in the fourth one, 5 plus zx. So this term is having x, so the coefficient will be z. Likewise, we can do, okay, rest of it. Now, look at question number 7, part 7. 7x plus xy square. Now, in this term, both these two terms have x. Okay, so the coefficient of this is x. Okay, and the coefficient of this term is what? Y square. Okay. Next, B part of this very fourth question, identify the terms which contain y square and then they give the coefficient. The first part, 8 minus x y square. Now this term here you see contains y square. Now what is the factor other than y square? It's minus x, so that becomes its coefficient. Coefficient of y square. Okay. Likewise, next question. The third question I'm looking. 2x square y minus 15 x y square plus 7y square. Now, one by one. So the next we will see is what? Coefficient of this is what? This term doesn't contain y square, so no. This term contains y square, so what will be the coefficient? Minus 15x. And this term contains y square, so its coefficient will be 7. Okay. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Classify into monomials, binomials, and trinomials. See, monomials, we know that expression containing only one term. Binomial, we know what? Expression having two terms. Okay. And more trinomials means what? Expression containing three terms. Okay. So likewise, first one is what? 4y minus 7z, that is having two terms, it is binomial. Second one, y square is a single term, so monomial. Next, third one, x plus y minus xy. It's again having three different terms because the variable factor is different in all of the three terms. Okay, that is important. Okay, so the terms will be defined only when, okay, it has different variable factors. Okay, so then it is here we can see it has all the three terms are different variable factor. That means three terms. Now 100 is a constant, so it's a monomial. AB minus A minus A, B, that is again a trinomial. 5 minus 3t is a binomial. Seventh is again binomial. Seventh one, 7mn is again a monomial. Ninth one is a trinomial. 10th is a what? A square plus b square. That means what? It is having two terms and their variable factors are different. So again, it's a binomial. 11th one, z square plus z is again a binomial. And 12th one, 1 plus x square is a again trinomial. Okay. Question number 6. State whether the given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. Okay. So 1 and 100, obviously they are what? Unlike. Okay. No, 1 and 100, they both are constant terms. Okay. They both are constant term. Okay. So they are like terms. Because their variable factor, if you see, 1 can be written as what? X to the power 0, and 100 also can be written as x to the variable factor. So that means they are like terms. Constants are always like terms. Okay. Next. Second one, minus 7x and 5 by 2x. Okay. They are again like terms because they have same variable factors. Okay. Minus 29x and minus 29y. They have different variable factors, right? This has x and this has y, so they are unlike terms. Question 4, 14xy and 42xyx. So they have same again variable factors, so they are like terms, like terms. And fifth one is again 4m square p and 4m p square. No, they have different variable factors. Okay, so they are not like terms, so they are unlike. 4m square p and 4p square m is unlike terms because they have different variable factors. Okay. Now the last one, sixth one, is also again a different variable factor. So that means again it's a unlike term. Now question number 7. Identify like terms in the following. So given is there a set of okay pairs of algebraic expression. So you need to find out what single out the like terms. So that means all those you have to pick and choose that all those terms which has the same variable factor. Okay. So starting with minus x y square. Starting with minus x y square. Okay, this has like terms as this one. Okay, 20x square y because it has this again. No, it is x y square. It is saying okay x y square, x y square. So y square term, yes, this one 2x is 2x y square. Then any other? No. Next, look for the term minus 4yx square. Now yx square, yx square, yes, this one 20x square y. Any other term? No. Next, you see 8x square, 8x square, x square factor. Which one? Minus 11x square. Then, yes, minus 6x square. Next, look for 7y. 7y is y simply. Okay. Next we will see here only. Next we will see minus 100x. How many terms which has same variable factor? That is 3x. And this one 2xy. 2xy is the single term, and 2xy has no other like terms. Okay, that's it. This was A part. So the B part you can do it likewise. Okay. Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise 10.2. Moving on. So exercise 10.2. Question 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of. So for given values of the m, we need to find the value of the given algebraic expression. The first one, you just in place of m, you will put 2, m minus 2. So for m is equal to 2, so put in place of m as 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. Likewise, we can do the rest of the question. Coming to question number 2, again you need to find the value. Okay, first I'm doing second part, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7 for p is equal to minus 2. So in place of p, you need to put what? Minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So minus 2 square is 4. So minus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 4 into minus 2 is again minus 8 and plus 7. That becomes minus 20 plus 7. That is minus 13. So likewise, you can do the rest. Find the value, question number 3, find the value of the expression when x is, again you need to find the value of the expression for x as minus 1. So I'm doing the fourth question, because the rest are simple, you can do. So for x is equal to minus 1. It's a 2 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 2. So 2 into minus 1 square is 1. So 2 and minus minus becomes plus 1 and minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Question number 4. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to, so for again I'm doing the third part. Okay, that is a square minus b square. So for you need to find for a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2. So put the value. So 2 square minus of minus 2 whole square. So 2 square is 4 minus again minus 2 square is also 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Come to question number 5. When a is 0, find the value of the expressions. Okay. So again I am doing question number 3. Write down the expression first. 2a square b plus 2a b square plus ab for a is equal to 0 and b minus 1. You can see it's all everywhere when where a is there, obviously its value will give what? 0, because anything multiplied by 0 becomes what? 0. Here also 0, 0 and 0. So the whole sum will be, the value of this expression will be 0. Okay. Question number 6. Simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to. Now here in this type of questions, you need to first simplify the given expression. Okay. Simplify the given expression means that you need to find the like terms. Okay. If any there, and you have to perform the operations first and then simplify them. X plus 7 plus open the bracket 4x minus 20. X and 4x are like terms, so they can be added. So 5x and 7 and minus 20 is also like terms, so it becomes minus 13. So now find for the value of this expression for x is equal to 2. So put 2 value, 5 into 2 minus 13, that is 10 minus 13, that is minus 3 is the answer. So likewise, you can do the rest. Okay, question 4 I am doing of 6th part. See the question. 4 times 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Again, simplify the question, okay, expression. 4 into 2x, 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. So 8x and 3x are like terms, so it will be 11x. Okay, and minus 4 plus 11 is also like term. Okay, so it will become what? Plus 7. Now find the value again for x is equal to 2. So 11 into 2 plus 7, that is 22 plus 7, that is 29 is the value of this expression. Likewise, you can do that. Now come to question number 7. Simplify these and again. So again you need to simplify. So again you will see here in this question. So 3x and minus x are like term. Add them. So 3x minus x will become what? 2x, and minus 5 plus 9 will become what? 4. So 2x plus 4. Put the values. Okay. You can do the second one also again in the same method. Third also includes a. So 3a and minus a, 8a. They are like terms. So what will be the resultant? It will be minus 5a, and 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So it will be what? Minus 5a plus 6. Okay, put the values. Likewise, simply again here minus 3b and minus 5b. They are like term. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and minus 8b. This will be the simplified and put values. Okay. So likewise, question number 8, first part. If z is equal to 10, find the value of. First of all, you need to find what? Simplify this. Okay, given expression. The z cube minus 3z and plus of 30. Now this expression you will find value for what? For z is equal to 10. Put values of z, that's 10. 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30. So 10 cube is 1000 minus 30 plus 30. So 1000 is the answer. Okay. Question 2 also, second part of 8 you can do in the same manner. Question 9. What should be the value of a if the value of expression, that is 2x square plus x minus a, equals what? To 5. So you need to find what? When, that means for x is equal to 0, this whole expression is equal to what? 5. So put x is equal to 0 in place of what? So 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. So 0. So minus a is equal to 5. So multiplying negatives both sides. So we get what? A is equal to minus 5. The answer. Okay. 10th question number. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is 5 and b is minus 2. So first of all, given expression we have is twice a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. So first of all, simplify this expression. Open the brackets. 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now see here, 2ab and minus ab, they are like term. Bring them together. 2a square plus ab plus 3. And for a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. Put the value. So 2 into 5 is square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. So 5 is square 25. So 2 into 25 is 50. And 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 plus 3. 5 minus 50 minus 15 is how much? 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. 38 is the answer. Okay. That's it in this video. Okay. So thank you. Bye.
Yeah.